Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping every cage and its sum. Do this now. Once done, fill single-cell cages instantly and pencil obvious max/min combos in multi-cell cages. Make sure to record which rows and columns each cage touches because that limits candidates. You will use those cross constraints next. Use small pencil marks for candidates and keep a running list of possible combinations for 2 4-cell cages so you don't recalculate later. Now generate all valid combinations for each cage size and sum and write them beside the cage. This is where reasoning replaces guessing. Then, intersect those combos with the row and column candidates. If a cage's combination requires a digit already excluded by the row, remove that combination. Make sure to eliminate any combination that forces duplicate digits in a standard 1-9 unit. Once a combo is unique, convert its digits into firm placements and update neighbors immediately. Finish by placing digits that emerge from unique combinations and let those placements cascade through adjacent cages and units. You should avoid guessing. Instead, resort to brief, recorded backtracking only when logic stalls. Note the choice and its consequences. If you get stuck, recheck cage sums, overlaps, and your combination lists for a missed elimination. Often a single overlooked intersection is the culprit. One troubleshooting tip: when contradictions appear, revert to the last recorded logical branch, not to random guesses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.